Welcome to Financial Edge by Honest Accounting Group. I'm Enoch Garcia, QuickBooks Advisor and Lead Accountant at Honest Accounting Group. If you need help with bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or cash flow management, please visit honestaccountinggroup.com to schedule a free consultation. You can also find me on LinkedIn under Enoch Garcia. Now let's get started. So in this video, we're going to go over how to record an owner's contribution to the business in QuickBooks. So we're going to go to transactions and chart of accounts. And new, we're going to have to create an equity account. So we'll go to account type, equity, and then the detail type, it'll be owner's equity. Now, if you're in a partnership, you'll select partner contributions, and then you can select the, you can type in, the name of the partner and then so on for however many partners you have. But in this case, let's just say owner contributions. Okay. And then we'll hit save. Okay. So then we'll go to new and bank deposit. And let's say that the money was deposited into the checking account on the 1st of June. It was received from, let's say it was John Smith. We'll select employee. We just need the name. Okay, so then we'll do owner's contribution. And it was with a check. Let's just say it's check 123. And let's say it was $25,000 that was deposited into the bank account. So we have the bank account in which this $25,000 was deposited into on June 1st from John Smith. Okay, and then here we have it towards the equity account that we just created. It was paid or it was deposited through a check. And then we'll hit save and close. Okay, so that deposit has been saved. So now we can go to reports and we'll go to the balance sheet. I'm going to switch to classic view. I'm going to make sure that my date is correct. I'm going to scroll down and now we can see the owner contribution is $25,000. And here we have the deposit of $25,000. So now the key thing is, since the money was deposited into the checking account on June 1st, the bank feed will see that deposit for $25,000 and it will create an auto match as it does here, since we have the account or that transaction within QuickBooks already. So QuickBooks will detect the $25,000 and the date of the 1st of June. And then the transaction will come into the bank feed on June 1st for $25,000 and auto match. Okay, so that's how you enter an owner's contribution into QuickBooks Online. If this video was helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. I would love to help and answer your questions with the video. And don't forget to subscribe for future content. Until next time.